The brat of us, the team who are blind to everything but in the blind to them.
A few moments later.
That's what I say. Me nah made everything.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
Man, I don't know Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man. So people, yo, John. As some know Alkaline are real the key, man, you know. People, it come like that song where Masicka drop name Wake Up, I to wake up Ryno to rat it. Ryno run out at this Joshy. But when you hear another song, man at this Alkaline too. What go on in a dancehall? It come like everybody have to use Alkaline name to go viral, you know. Imagine four artists or 5 artists now call Alkaline name in a song and you not even say nothing. No, sir. I tell you people. What really are going? No, man, everybody want to use it. It's a boss name, man. Forget the hype, you know. But Alkaline even now wake up all the dead. For then call him name. Channel. Yeah. But people, see a Gaza man, you know, Gaza fan, I think they call him sick. We see him run out and attack. Man talk something about Alka. You know what I say?
Brother, that's what I say, he's a straight Gaza fan, You can't tell me what cartel. But, you see that look you when they call Alkaline. That brother when they call Alkaline. And when I greatest after cartel. No artist can take that from him. Nobody can take it from him. I know why I say my greatest. This man not sing one song and he man get this. You know how powerful you have to be? If you do that, you know say no my name I call him. Brother, me hear about 4 this song when my name call and the man not say no. That's how great the youth be. I mean I go take it from him in great brother. Him great dog, you have to give him props. Me have to give him. You have to depend on a level for you know something. I give him a call in a song, in a this song at it. And that's why that's a reason why man have it. I can't never do another song. Man a level when me I go call. Me tell you say man and cartel I same thing. Or think cartel higher than me like.
No, brother. You go wrong there, so. Alkaline and cartel are not the same thing. Alkaline and cartel are cartel. If you ever talk about impact now and really fancy in a dancehall, yeah, me understand with that, but it's not the same man them when it comes to personality. You know? Yeah. That is the thing.
When you cartel now to say no man in here, him have to always be relevant. And that's the 2 man them have that. Look at it, brother, when a certain artist flap in the ear, they name you know. And they say Alkaline flap from when I went, but yet still are hearing you. Yo, big up you.
Yeah, man, that them always say 2016 Alkaline flap this is not relevant. But look at now, everybody a call him name forget a viral moment. It show you the power of the youth. Like, yo, imagine the brother, yeah. The difference between him and cartel, you know. The thing is that brother, cartel always the in the media. Alkaline always the in the media. But Alkaline name always a call. Yeah, because if every man a drop song, right? And Alkaline name always a bring up. Seeing? Yeah, because when you check it still, you know, the 2 biggest fan base in the dancehall are Gaza and Vendetta, so the impact I got there. Yeah, it's just that Alkaline talented, cartel talented. You see me? And Alkaline just keep theme sell to himself, like the youth create. It just impact of the youth. You understand? A lot of them talk, diss him, everything. But when you check behind doors, them rate Alkaline. Enough of them when you hear a call Alkaline name, I rate him. It's just that sometimes them just go on like a this thing if you just get a little viral moment, but them rate him. You understand? There's no way every day somebody a call one man name. So, right? In a something where I'm not even involved in a. That's the problem, you know. Because Alkaline not this Joshy. Alkaline not this Blak Ryno. Who is Blak Ryno right now? So it shows you say, yo, the youth name just powerful. Without even him following out and saying anything and for him name a call right now. It shows you say the youth thing they on a different level. You see me? And I just saw the thing say, but I see a next brother forward out and I say a thing. I want to know here what I go on.
Hey yo, main danger. Tropics. Quest, tell me something. If Alka is so irrelevant, why everybody trying to start war with him? That don't sound like irrelevance to me.
Right now, right now, Alkaline is the most relevant artist right now because the man name always a call. All in a people, all in a hurricane. The man name a call. Hurricane, the man name a say you nah donate. Everywhere you take it, every viral moment, Alkaline name in it. You wonder some of the time if your brother wanna use social media, right? In the media none at all. Like you not see Alkaline take up him phone and video himself or anything. You not see Alkaline in the street or walk or go supermarket or there in a vehicle or in a dep on a bike. Nothing. You wonder where the youth live. If I really on earth him live, cause nobody can see him for video him and say, yo, see me. But the youth and them just always right there. So people are use it for views, clout, everything. Yeah. Because right now, I don't know, it come like a alkaline. It look like a alkaline. Wake up Ryno out of death to rotted. Cause I don't know where Ryno go. This one man where in good and not even know if Ryno still exists. You understand? Cause remember when people see want to know pre this. Remember that video people want to remember this, Yeah, man. So, people, that are when the man them kick down when Popcorn shoot off right now off a stage. I remember say Alkaline did microwave, burn him up. So, I don't know, brother, if you make microwave push off a stage, bro, you're not ready for Alkaline love it, brother. You understand? I don't know. You can't just get up and out of the blue, brother. I call man name. Yeah, this a man we not even this a fam. Like, brother, right now, I don't know, bro, but a years now your career just depend. I don't know where I don't know if you try revive something, but bro, remember where cartel day, brother. You understand? Sometime one of remember that is it. So my time one of remember say yo. So my time one of remember say yo, brother. Remember where you come from. Remember say you see a man where you forward out for this alkaline. Bro, see a man make a career, brother. I seen him forward out him link up, but that Dave not go save you either, cause the Gaza fan them not go meds you, brother. And no matter what cartel wants say them nah meds you, dog. So I know you forward out of this alka right now, cause where you think this will go now? Eh? Cause me realize with the war with Tamale and Masicka, a lot of people are getting involved right now. And it kinda when too much of something, it kinda get common out like, Ryno a forward, Sean's time in there, Joshy there. Me see Tamale son forward out, Tamale, Masicka. A lot of people are forward and I diss each other. So soon after this is a war I go pack up, but me not even know. People let me know who win the clash, Yeah. I just saw me see it, people. Saw me see it, so we don't know where right now him forward out, We don't know where him wake up from. Like him wake up out of the cemetery. Yeah, I just saw me see it, cause brother, I don't know where I go right now. Is it? Me see Sean Sam him forward out. Him a this alkaline too, but I don't know what kind of song that when mosquito bite you. I don't know what that, brother. Brother go on over Portmore, dog. I really Portmore come from, Cause over there full of mosquito, people. Yeah, man, over there full of mosquito. I tell you, say, yo, when you over them place, you have to over there, brother. You see worse when it drought time. Rotted. I tell you, brother. I know nothing normal over there, so maybe at that, when I'm over the mosquito, I did my way, my face. Brother, go sit down. What to them artists, dog? Them artists have to put on them career now, brother. I tell you. Sean Stam and Ryno, I don't know, bro. It's like, brother, Fan Cartel go prison. On a career, no, brother. 13 years now. I can't tell when Ryno get one hit song from. I tell you that. I maybe like about 15 years, Ryno get one hit song. 15 years. and you want forward say you want this alkaline. Brother, I tell you this, brother, that if the way your career did right, the alkaline can't even save it for you right now. I tell you get a little highlight, yes, a little clout off her, but after that, brother, nothing of there. Nobody not trust you, brother. Gaza people them not really made you like that, fam. I tell you that. So no matter if you want forward out and this up cartel, but you know remember, bro. Remember you say you left, you know. You understand? Then you run come back to daddy. You know? Run come back to your father. You see it? Yeah, cartel. So, brother, so my time, if you just make no career just dead, bro. Yeah. Just make it dead. Just find, yo, deck in a morning, dog. You know what I gonna start though? Some of them artists are people. Me need to get some construction work for them cause you see me say about 7 grand. 7 grand a day, you know. So I say if I find some one in the US for Black Ryno. Cause I really need one people. A decade, man. Cause music career no dead, brother. I mean, I know. That's why when I see Masicka drop the song then it's a wake up, you know. Just have a feeling say yo. Some dopey or some you know somebody I go wake up. Yeah. I just summer feel. But see there, a Ryno wake up out of the grave. Ryno wake up. But the thing say when Masicka drop that, me think say a cartel would have wake up or you know, or Masicka or Tommy Lee. But a Ryno wake up. Ryno wake up. You ever watch a movie there? A Scorpion when the man raise up, he dead them out of the I think the man raise up, he dead them out of his son in a desert rotted. That look like that Masicka though. Yeah. Cause I don't know where Ryno him forward from. Brother, what if you are one man where mash up one man career where even put you where this a man wicked. Right? I don't think him recover from that this day. See microwave. What if you make microwave push you off a stage? Eh? Microwave. Okay, brother, you're not ready yet, fam. I tell you, I don't know where you forward out to call Alkaline, but do your thing. You see me, you just get a look 15 minutes a look of him. Yeah, and then go back in a shell car. Brother, when you make so much years, at least 10 years passing in your career, you're not getting no hits in it, bro. You get knocked, you know. You know forwarding back from that. You understand? Yeah. See man where you call daddy and father and all of them look at something. I see man make your career mash up, bro. Cause when you link producer, when you link promoter them and thing and promoter for book you, man them just style you wicked, brother. You see me, nobody now give you no bookings, nothing. Cause this the gods are boss them say so. You know? But brother, so many time for those low music, dog. I tell you. Shanta, I don't know, theme song, Snitch, song there, someone call it, you know. Look like that song there. It'll go viral on TikTok, you know. You see them call it a Mosquito challenge. I must say Masicka. I'm try his style. But I don't know about Masicka right now. You see me? I'm doing thing. The song when him drop here, people in love same run out and this cartel and you know? But I don't know where war I go right now. People might wait for Tommy Lee with the next track. So we're gonna see what going on with that. You see, but right now, go back in the grave, dog, cause nothing there for save it, dog. You see me? Let's go back in the afterlife. You see it? Just one of them things there, bro. Cause Alkaline, I don't not even microscope. If Alkaline look through it, you can't see it. So one of them things there. But people, big up on yourself and stay safe out there, you know. I don't know one media facts. You see me? What I say? One media facts. You see it? Yeah, man. No pussy test. You see it? That is it.